Alright, I'm back on this project. I've started to connect the wires together. I cut it. Be careful because there are two yellow wires that are exactly the same. Other than that, they're color-coded. Be very careful with your color-coded wires because every once in a while they'll do something weird like that. Two yellow ones the same. Checking later, the yellow wires went to the rear speakers, so it didn't matter which way you hooked it up. Anyway, so I got half of them done here. That's a lot more than half. And I'm gonna do the rest of these now. And I'll show you when I'm done. Okay, well, I've put the wires together, put everything together, put everything back together. All the plastics and the electrical. So I'm going to do a couple tests once I have a bit more together, make sure everything works. Okay, here it is, all together. I even got it all cleaned out. Everything works. All the tail lights and the brakes work. Before I did this, I couldn't put it in drive without pushing the release button, but now whenever I step on the brake, it uses the interlock there. No more battery drain issues. The stereo works. The only problem I have now is the dome light doesn't work. So, oh wait a minute. It's a bad switch. So if I do that, hey, look at that. I have yet to find something that doesn't work now. Here's the pieces of wires I took out. You can see all the wires that are melted together, and not all of them are causing issues, but that's pretty bad. One more thing I'm happy about. My dashboard lights work when I change gear, and the speedometer works. Before I did any of this, the speedometer didn't work. So yeah, everything works.